Hi, I'm Johannan. I'm here at Shults Lincoln, and I'm bringing you this Tuesday's tip of the week, which is going to be your active park assist on the MKZ. So to use the active park assist, you have to be in drive. What we'll do is we're going to hit this button here as we're moving forward, and I'm going to turn on my left signal since I'm looking for a spot on the left. And you switch this little button down here. This is parallel, this is perpendicular. We're going to perpendicular park right now. So it's looking for a spot on the left side. And it'll prompt you for everything, so just pay attention to the screen, pay attention to the road. All right, so now it's found the spot, tell you to keep moving forward. All right, now we stop. Now we're gonna put the car into reverse, take your hands off the wheel. Your foot is still on the brake. You're still using brake pressure to slow the car down. You're just taking your foot off the brake to let it move backwards slowly and park. All right, so tell me to stop again. I'm going to shift it into drive. It's going to do the same thing forward. Just trying to perfect itself in the park. And then we're going in reverse again, still hands off of the wheel. And we're parked. Thank you guys for watching. This is this week's Tuesday tip.